Okay, can you let go of me? Nope. Okay. I should loosen these too. Okay. Whew. Come on, baby. Okay, now I need my glasses.
Triton use your boat to get over to me?
Yep, come on, Triton.
Triton, come here.
Come here.
Alright, come here.
Oh.
Come on.
Phoebe! Let's go!
Oh, great.
Come on, Phoebe! Oh, this is my fart. Phoebe, come on! Triton. Phoebe, come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Good girl, come on. Good girl. Yep. Okay. Oh. Okay, so now we know that's difficult. Oh God. It's a lot less stable now. Okay, baby. Turn around. Turn around. Come on. Come on. Sit down. Sit. Okay. Okay. I think we got it.
Triton, no.
Probably. You go pull the head away from us. Yeah, you're dragging it. Oh my gosh. Phoebe, sit. Phoebe, sit down. You're gonna have to sit down the whole time now. Sit! Sit down! You're gonna flip us over. Oh my gosh. It just kind of sways. There's a lot of water in this boat. What? I'm scared to turn.
I can't reach it.
Okay, I got it. Can you put it in your boat? I got enough in my boat. Oh, this is going to be difficult. How about this? Yeah, how about this little island up here?